Today, we will discuss how bees communicate with one another. Although bees are small insects, they have a surprisingly advanced system of communication. One of the most interesting methods is called the waggle dance. When a worker bee finds a good source of flowers, it returns to the hive and performs this dance in front of other bees. The bee moves in a figure-8 pattern while shaking its body. The direction of the dance tells other bees where the flowers are located in relation to the sun. In addition, the length of the dance communicates the distance to the flowers. A longer dance means the food source is farther away. Scientists first studied this behavior carefully in the 20th century. An Austrian scientist named Karl von Frisch discovered that bees use the waggle dance to share detailed information. His research changed how scientists understood insect intelligence and animal communication. However, some researchers now believe bees may also use smells and sounds to communicate. Therefore, communication among bees may be more complex than scientists originally thought.
Question 1. The main purpose of the talk is to explain how bees communicate. The lecture focuses mainly on bee communication, especially the waggle dance, and also mentions other possible methods, such as smells and sounds. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Choice A is incorrect because honey production is not discussed. Choice C is incorrect because the lecture does not compare bees with other insects. Choice D is incorrect because flowers are only mentioned as part of the communication context, not as the main topic. Question 2. According to the talk, the waggle dance communicates the location and distance of flowers. The speaker explains that the direction of the dance shows where the flowers are in relation to the sun, and the length of the dance indicates how far away they are. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Choice A is incorrect because weather conditions are never mentioned. Choice B is incorrect because the dance does not provide information about the age of the bee. Choice D is incorrect because hive size is not discussed in the lecture.
Question 3. The speaker mentions Karl von Frisch to describe a scientist who studied bee communication. He conducted research on bee behavior and discovered the meaning of the waggle dance, which is an important contribution to this field. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Choice A is incorrect because honey collection is not related to his work in the lecture. Choice B is incorrect because the lecture does not criticize earlier research. Choice D is incorrect because there is no comparison between Austrian and modern scientists. Question 4. At the end of the talk, the speaker suggests that bees may communicate in several different ways. Although the waggle dance is important, researchers believe bees may also use smells, sounds, and other signals. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Choice A is incorrect because the lecture does not say bees communicate only through dancing. Choice B is incorrect because the speaker states that scientists do not fully understand bee communication yet. Choice D is incorrect because smells are mentioned as a possible communication method, not something bees cannot recognize.